Thank you po, thank you. Siguro, ang share ko ngayon, laliman mo pa yung why mo eh. Kasi ako, habang nakatingin ako sa pamilya ko, sa asawa ko, sa anak ko, mas lumalalim yung why ko eh. Mas kailangan namin to. Wala na ako talagang choice kundi magsumikap. Yun yung share ko ngayon. Laliman mo pa yung why mo. Pag alam mo yun, pag alam mo yung why mo, bakit ka ba nandito, walang makakapagpatigil sa pangarap mo. Thank you.
Good morning, Yesland family! Yan, so babasahin ko na lang yung speech ko. So kung meron man akong natutunan sa journey na to, yun ay growth never happens inside your comfort zone. So, comfort zone is the place where things feel safe, yung sanay ka na, yung alam mo na ang galaw, yung walang masyadong risk, pero walang masyadong growth. At sa sales, lalo na dito sa real estate, walang malaking pangarap na natutupad sa pagiging komportable. Maraming beses sa journey namin na may choice kami ni Mare, ng mga top seller, ni na SD Carol, na manatili sa comfort zone namin and hindi lumabas kasi tinatamad, ganyan. So, comfort zone is choosing silence instead of making that follow-up call. Comfort zone is staying behind the screen instead of facing the client. And comfort zone is saying bukas na lang kahit na dapat ngayon mo siya ginagawa. Pero here's the truth. Every breakthrough I experienced started with discomfort. Unang tripping na hindi mo alam yung sasabihin, unang client na mas marami pa yung tanong kaysa sa sagot, unang rejection na akala mo personal, pero business lang pala. Lahat yon uncomfortable, lahat yan nakakatakot, pero lahat yan kailangan nating pagdaanan. There were days na gusto ko na lang bumalik sa kung saan mas madali. Yung walang pressure, yung walang expectation, pero every time I choose comfort, I realize something. Walang version ng sarili ko doon. Growth asks you to do things before you feel ready, before you feel confident, before you feel strong. Hindi ka lalakas bago ka sumubok. Lalakas ka dahil sumubok ka. And for my fellow salesperson, alam natin to, walang successful na salesperson na hindi dumaan sa pagiging awkward, rejected, and unsure. Every no pushes you out of comfort. Every follow-up teaches us courage. Every client interaction build a stronger version of you. Minsan nakala natin kailangan natin ng sign para mag-move. Pero minsan yung takot mismo ang sign na kailangan nating umusad. Because if it scares you a little, it probably means it will grow you a lot. Comfort zone feels good today, but growth gives you freedom tomorrow. So if you're in a season where you feel stretched, pressured, or challenged, congratulations po. That means you're not stuck. That means you're becoming. And remember this, God can't bless who you're pretending to be. He blesses you who you becoming. So step up, speak up, show up, even when your voice shakes, even when your hands are trembling, because one day you look back and realize the moment you left your comfort zone was the moment your life truly expanded. Thank you, and let's keep choosing growth over comfort. Thank you, Yesland family. Happy selling!
Ayun, hello again, Yesland family. So, last month, sobrang busy, of course, ng December. Pero, hindi kami nawalan ng time, of course, sa business namin. Kasi si real estate is, naka-mindset sa amin na business namin tong mag-asawa. And of course, kahit busy, kahit maraming ganap sa buhay, ang daming Christmas parties na pinuntahan, of course, binibigyan namin ng time pa rin si real estate dahil dito kami kumikita at ito rin yung magbibigay sa amin ng better future. And syempre, tama si Broker Nikki kanina, napakaganda ng message. Prayer po talaga. Wala kaming ibang ginawang mag-asawa, walang shortcuts. Wala kaming magic na ginawang mag-asawa. Pare-parehas lang tayo. Alam ko, pare-parehas tayo ng effort na binigay. Pare-parehas tayong may oras sa business natin. Pero yung prayers po, yun po yung dapat wag mawala sa kaya ako po every time talaga may tripping, kailangan ko si God. Nagpe-pray po talaga ako kahit maglakad ako papunta sa simbahan. Kasi gusto ko yung pagpunta ko kay client, alam ko nakasama ko si Lord. So pagdating kay Lord, naiiyak. So ayun, yun talaga yung nakaka-help sa amin kung bakit na-achieve din namin yung goals namin. And God provides direction and opportunities. Pero you provide effort, integrity, patience, and courage. That's all. Thank you po, Yasla.